Booking pickup transactions. Today we're going to walk through some of the common transactions that are performed with booking pickups. First, we'll start with creating a pickup. So I have a booking here for Andrea Seeds Limited. I'm just going to go over to the right-hand side and view the booking details. When selected, I'll be inside my booking details view. So from here, you can see I have a product here added to this booking as well as a treating service. In my Booking Pickups tab, I show 0 pickups, so that means I have not performed any pickups yet. To add a pickup, I'm just going to go to the top right corner here and select the Add Pickup action. When selected, I'll be able to set an actual pickup date, a PO number, a truck license, or a consignee if I wish. Once done, you can select Save. You'll be taken into your Pickup Details view. So from here, you can see the products and services that are available for pickup for this booking. So I'm just going to select this barley product here, and I'm going to select Add Scale Ticket. Select my source location, which is the bin that I'm going to take this inventory out of. I'm going to enter my scale ticket number, and I'm going to enter my weight. So I'm going to say the truck weighed 1,000 pounds, and my outbound weight here is 7. So you can see that the system automatically calculated the tare, gross, and net. I'm going to select Save. Now, I'd like to walk through a common question, and that's how do I cancel a pickup? So let's face it, mistakes happen, and sometimes we may need to just cancel a pickup. So you'll notice in the top right corner here that the X icon, which is the cancel pickup action, is disabled. Well, that's because we have a scale ticket already added to this pickup. So the system will not let you cancel a pickup if you have a scale ticket added or if you've entered services amounts on the pickup. So watch what happens when I delete the scale ticket. Just as a reminder, when I delete a scale ticket, the inventory is put back to its originating storage location. So when deleted, the system knows, well, they've picked up 0 because I've put the inventory back. And now you can see that my cancel pickup action is enabled. So the same logic applies to services. So let's say I had already went in and set my service values to charge the customer for treating 500 bushels. I'm just going to select Save. So now you can see my units sold is updated to 500 on this pickup. So now in the top right corner, you can see again that my cancel pickup action is disabled. So all I would need to do in this case is go in and select my deliver service icon again, and I just need to set this value to 0. So once there are 0 pickup amounts left back on my pickup, you can see that the cancel pickup action is enabled. By selecting the cancel pickup action, the system canceled the pickup. So now when I go in and I view my booking details for that particular booking, you'll notice I've got a booking pickup in my Booking Pickups tab, and the status is set to canceled. So from here, I can go in and I can add another pickup, or maybe I don't need this booking anymore at all. I can simply close the booking. Next, we're going to walk through posting and invoicing a pickup. I'm just going to go back into my booking details for the Andrea Seeds Limited booking here, and I'm going to add another pickup by selecting the Add Pickup action. So same as previously, I'm just going to go in and I'm going to add a scale ticket to the system. I'm going to enter my weights, and I'm going to select Save. Now notice in the top right corner, we have a post pickup action here. It's a little check mark. So what does posting a pickup mean? So a pickup can have many statuses. When you add a pickup, the original status it gets is work in progress. So that means you're still working on it. You're either adding scale tickets, you're not quite finished with it yet. The second status would be posted. So watch what happens when I select post pickup. Now notice that the invoice action to the right here is disabled. Well, that's because I don't have any posted pickups for that booking. So there's nothing to invoice. So watch what happens when I select the post pickup action. Notice that the status has been updated to posted. So once it's posted, you're basically telling the system, I'm done with this pickup. I have no more scale tickets to add. I've entered all my service values. And notice to the right, now the invoice action is enabled. So I can now invoice my customer for this pickup. Now I have a couple of options here. I can invoice the customer for the pickup at this point, or if I go back to the booking details, I can add another pickup. So I can add as many pickups as I would like for a particular booking, and I can invoice them all at once. Or, as mentioned earlier, I can go in and invoice this posted pickup. So my pickups tab, I'm just going to go back into the posted pickup, and I'm just going to select the generate invoice action. The system will ask me, are you sure you want to invoice this booking? I'm going to say yes. Then it will ask me if I want to close the booking after invoice. In this example, I'm going to say no, because I want to leave the booking open. So the system will generate the invoice. And now notice that the pickup status is set to invoiced. So when I go back to my booking details and I view my booking pickup, you'll see that the invoice is shown here by the pickup. So if I go into the booking invoices tab, now you'll see I have a booking invoice here. And I can view the invoice, or I can email it to my customer, or maybe I need to cancel the invoice and make some changes to it. So I'm just going to go back in and show you that how easy it is to add another pickup. Simply just select the add pickup action again. So maybe this time I'm going to enter in the treatment values. I'm going to select, say we treated 500, and I'm going to select save. Now, if I'm done with this pickup, again, I'm going to go to the top right and I'm going to post it, which makes it available for invoicing. And I'm going to invoice this pickup. So there's my invoice. I'm just going to close that for now. So now you'll see that this pickup as well has a status of invoiced. So I'm going to go back to the booking details here. So here you can see all of the pickups that we walked through today, all of the booking invoices that we walked through today as well. So if I'm finished with this booking, I'm just going to go to the top right corner here and I'm just going to close the booking. The system will ask me if I want to close the booking. I'm going to say yes. So now when I go back to my main booking screen, the booking is no longer shown in my default list.